Imagine waking up without an alarm, sipping coffee while the rest of the world rushes off to work, knowing your money is working harder than you ever have to. Sounds like a dream, right? But for many, it's not a dream. It's their reality. And in 2024, it could be yours too. But here's the catch. If you don't start building passive income streams now, you might find yourself playing catch-up when others are thriving. Do you really want to risk missing out? Stay with me, because I'm about to reveal the top 5 passive income ideas for 2024, the ones no one is talking about yet. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for number 5. It's a game changer. Number 1, real estate crowdfunding. First up, real estate crowdfunding. Think you need hundreds of thousands to invest in real estate? Think again. Platforms like Fundrise and CrowdStreet allow you to invest in properties for as little as $10. That's right. $10 can make you a stakeholder in a luxury apartment building. Plus, no awkward landlord phone calls at 2 a.m. about clogged toilets, unless you miss those. But let's say you want something even more hands-off, where you can set it and forget it. That's where our next idea comes in. Number 2, dividend-paying stocks. Picture this. Every quarter, a check lands in your account, not for hours you've worked, but for simply owning a piece of the right company. That's the power of dividend-paying stocks. Companies like Coca-Cola and Procter & Gamble have been paying dividends for decades, proving this is a timeless strategy. Here's the urgency. The earlier you start, the longer compound interest works its magic. Wait too long and you're leaving thousands on the table. Speaking of leaving money on the table, the next idea flips the script entirely and could redefine your concept of earning. Number 3, digital product sales. Why work for money when you can let your creativity do it for you? Creating digital products, like an online course or an ebook, requires effort up front, but can generate passive income for years. Imagine waking up to sales notifications while you're still dreaming. Cha-ching! Quick quiz. What's more exciting? Checking Instagram likes or seeing a $100 sale pop up? Exactly. But not everyone wants to rely on creativity alone. If you prefer a strategy that's more analytical, number 4 is for you. Number 4, peer-to-peer lending. Have you ever thought about being the bank? Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper let you lend money to individuals and earn interest. This is called peer-to-peer lending, and it can yield returns far higher than traditional savings accounts. You're not just earning, you're helping someone achieve their dreams, whether it's starting a business or paying off debt. And the best part? You're profiting while they succeed. But what if I told you there's a way to earn money passively while tapping into a growing billion-dollar industry? Buckle up for number 5. Number 5, automated e-commerce. Finally, automated e-commerce. Imagine owning an online store where AI and fulfillment services do the heavy lifting, from product sourcing to delivery. Tools like Shopify and Amazon FBA make this more accessible than ever. The e-commerce market is set to explode in 2024. Get in now, and you could ride this wave before it's too late. And no, you don't need to invent the next fidget spinner to succeed, though if you do, call me. Now that you've seen the possibilities, it's time to take the next step toward financial freedom. Passive income is just one piece of the puzzle. If you're serious about building lasting wealth, check out my next video, 5 Secrets to Achieving Financial Freedom. It's packed with actionable insights to help you fast-track your success. Click now, because every second you wait is a second someone else is getting ahead.